What a landing. So this guy has been so annoying and he keeps eating my candy. To solve this problem I spent lots of time building this and painting it. I call it the autonomous fish. It bites off the hand of anyone who tries to put it inside of its mouth. And I am putting my candy inside. Let's see if he gets it.
I am very hungry though. Where's that sound coming from? Oh my god, I just want one piece of candy right there. How do I get it? Oh no, it's too scary.
And he eventually gave up. Wait, what?
Okay, let's do it. Ah! Oh my god. That hurts so bad. Which monster made this machine? Anyway, the story aside, this is the autonomous Robo fish. Look at that one piece sticking out right there. Hey, at least I got a candy now. So pretty much when this ultrasonic sensor senses your hand, pulls up this motor right here, and it pretty much hurts a lot. And you know, you can keep this for any safekeeping and to scare some people off. Anyway, if you want to know how to make this, this is how you can make it. So this motor is placed under this cardboard piece. You pretty much hide it like that. And then what I did is I put this wooden stick under it to give this cardboard more stronger base. And then I pretty much stick the motor onto this wooden base, so that when the motor senses something, it pulls it up like that. And you can see there's the wooden base right there. And that is how you can make it. I wonder if I could also prank someone like they did to me. Oh wait, I did prank my brother at 3 AM, which you can watch right here. But do not forget to like this video because it does help a lot.